in the religious and cultural capital of the world, Varanasi. Now for the very first time, we have Rishiv, Center for Vedic Research, Yoga and Naturopathy, where the Vedic wisdom and spiritual knowledge of our ancient Indian sages and yogis has been adopted. Here you will get the benefits of yoga and meditation, aroma and music therapies, natural healing, nutritious and healthy food, career and business consulting, and many more services.
Rishiv is the first composite facility in Varanasi which helps to detox, cleanse and heal your body. It helps to regenerate and relax your mind, and it's a pathway to awakening your soul.
Rishiv, Center for Vedic Research, Yoga and Naturopathy, Shuddhipur, Shivpur Bypass, Airport Road, Varanasi.